Just when I thought luxury could not come in a box, Hairvivi did it again. First of all, if you guys are new here, welcome. Now is a great time to subscribe. I am Cryssy, by the way. If you guys are already a part of Sunflower family, welcome back. I miss you guys so much. Of course, my videos have still been circulating, but I took a little mini vacation just because I needed a little break to myself, and I had to come back with a bang, okay? Hairvivi is known for their luxury custom units, and today is no different. So we're taking a look at the fake scalp, which does come in a variety of different flesh colors. You guys can see how easy and seamless it blends into my skin. Because the caps are fitted, I don't have to worry about them lifting up. They literally hug the temples, and even the flaps lay down comfortably. So look at the blend, okay? Y'all see what's going on. Now let's get right into this. Now I'm starting off with some cornrows, which I did a few days ago, maybe even about a week ago. Don't judge, okay? Don't judge me. The best thing about this is that I did not need a cap. I didn't even need the True Scalp tape, which y'all know I'm obsessed with. Doesn't matter the wig I'm reviewing, 10 out of 10. I am installing True Scalp tape. In this case, I did not need it. You guys see how the flaps and the entire wig just snugs fits, okay? Hugs, snug fit, all right? My hair, and I am in love with that. I literally have the opportunity to transform my look in a matter of minutes. So in this case, I knew that I wanted to really perfect that middle part. So if you guys have been using Gotta Be Glue Spray, Sebastian, Frizz Ease, all of those things, put it to the side, okay? Click the link in my description box. No, this is not sponsored by them, obviously, but the Kenra working spray has been a lifesaver when it comes to finding a hairspray that adds a little bit of shine and really provides the hold, enough hold so that I'm able to still work with it, right? I'm literally able to just get rid of the flyaways and keep my hair holding in place without it getting crispy, crackety, and crunchy, because nobody wants that, okay? Like I said, Hairvivi's units are luxury, not just in the sense that they come custom, but also the hair quality. You guys, I really took a look at this hair and I'm like, this looks like somebody's scalp, okay? Literally like this grew from somebody's head. It was not overly silky. And y'all know a lot of times the companies will advertise the hair as being super silky, and a lot of the times it does not last because it has a coating on it. In this case, I have had Hairvivi units for years at this point. Like, no lie, I have my dedicated, it's probably up to about 8 or 9 wigs now, and I am just happy, okay? You guys can see cutting off the lace is a breeze. Now, I know a lot of different companies are offering the pre-cut lace, which I don't mind, but I also really love that Hairvivi just kind of makes you feel like a professional with being able to trim that off yourself, and it doesn't matter if you mess it up. The lace is so thin that it's gonna melt right in. And if you guys know, I mean, you should know me by now, okay? I absolutely have been committed to using the Bronner Brothers Pump It Up as a way to hold down the ear flaps on a wig. But y'all saw how it fits snug regardless. So if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. But I knew I was about to be going out. Okay, we were having a night at the Cheetah. If you know anything about the Cheetah, we ain't got to talk about it, okay? But I'm there for the food, all right? I am there for the food. It's Cheetah nightclub in Atlanta. I had a great time, and my wig did not move, and the curls stayed, okay? Super pretty and vibrant hair. So I'm getting it laid down. I like to just put a little bit on my fingers. Sometimes I'll put it directly on like the side of my ear, or, you know, the area that I need to spray. And then I'll go in with my little mini blow dryer, which I actually got this in a BoxyCharm a while ago. So if y'all don't know about Ipsy BoxyCharm, the monthly subscription box, what are you doing? Like, where have you been? Am I not helpful enough? Like, girl. Okay, anyway, so many things to talk about. I have so many videos that will be coming to you guys really, really soon. Probably over 20 videos that are literally edited now and just ready to go up. So I'm about to flood you. Get ready. Turn on your post notifications and look at that. Okay. Super flawless. You would have thought this was growing from my scalp. And literally, it's so funny. One of my friends, Paige, she actually was like, girl, one thing about your wigs, they literally always look like they are growing from your scalp. So that was a beautiful compliment, okay? Now for these bangs, I'm taking the hot tops from Dry Bar. You don't have to use these. You can use a standard roller, whatever it is you feel, but these are like clampless. So they adhere to your hair. You'll see in just a second. It's real, real cute, all right? I'm actually using a 1 3/4, or is this a 2-inch? I think it's a 2-inch curling rod, just to really create a lot of volume. And I am styling this away from my face. That way, when I pull out that roller, I'll really have that vibe, vibe, boom that we love in the curtain bang, okay? Now, my natural hair is not geared up for this, okay? It naturally has volume. So I love to switch up my look with the wig every now and then, okay? Every now and then. Keep in mind, wigs are not something that I am spending most of my days wearing, but which is probably the reason why they last so long. But it is something that I love to just have in my hair stash, so that when I want to switch it up, if I don't want to do clip-ins, if I don't want to do the braids, and I just, I want a different type of look, girl, okay? This is my go-to, all right? And all that I'm going to do here is pretty much just add a few curls. This is where you really get to transform the look. And I went in with a little bit more of that spray, okay? The best thing about the working spray is that it does not get tacky, so you don't have to worry about getting super sticky or stiff, and you're still able to go in with your hot tools to get the look that you want. So y'all can see I am just curling away from my face with my 2 little curled antennas. It's giving very much anteater. Is it ant? Girl, don't get me started talking about animals, okay? Y'all, I am having a great morning so far. I'm just like going over all of my videos, doing the voiceovers and getting into the day's work. And I'm just really blessed. Like, I really, really am. I'm so grateful to be able to wake up, do what it is that I love. I know that y'all may not know this, but I left corporate about a year and a few months ago. And I was working for Home Depot's office. And I know a lot of you guys, I've seen like the little videos and like people like, what does Forever Cryssy do? And it's like, girl, I was doing everything, okay? From going to school, to doing hair on the side, to still working a professional job, doing YouTube as a hobby. And it wasn't until my man, okay, was like, girl, what are you doing? Like, you have just the best opportunity in front of you. Why not do it now, okay? We don't have any children. We are not like at that point where we are just like, high risk is okay for us right now. So it just so happens that I invested so much time, energy, and love into what I have done to where now it takes care of me. So thanks to you guys, you have made my dreams come true, okay, of being a full-time YouTuber, content creator, beauty influencer, UGC creator, you name it. Cryssy gets to do what she loves. So I'm happy to be able to help y'all. And I hope that you have peeped the technique of the curls, okay? You want to make sure that the barrel end that we're clamping, okay, is also in alignment with the tip of the hair. As long as the barrel and the tip of the hair are in the same direction, you are curling in the right direction. Whether you want to pull that hand behind you or use it in front of you, you should very easily be able to get the barrel curls, as long as you remember that the handle and the tip of the hair needs to be in the same direction. Y'all, I can kind of be all over the place. So y'all are like, Cryssy, how you just pouring out your heart and then you go right back into the tutorial? It's a thing, okay? It is a thing. And y'all, I'm super excited for springtime. I don't know about y'all, but I have not gone shopping for like winter clothes in probably about 3 years now. So most of my wardrobe is like spring or more so summer type of clothing. So yeah, get ready to see it, because I really get excited about being able to show some skin and get a tan, okay? So I'm actually using the Sacred Oil from Beyonce's hair care line. And of course, yes, I did do a full review. So don't worry, okay? All of this stuff is slowly gonna come out. It's absolutely gonna be out of order by the time you see this. That video should be up as well, but so far so good. I really think that it just added a nice shine to it. And you can see, even before using that, the hair already had its nice and beautiful luster, super luxury vibes. I know sometimes we talk about the price point, but if you are going to spend money on a wig, why invest in a wig that is only going to last you for 3 or 4 months? Whereas with the Hairvivi unit, you pay for it one time and now you have it for years, okay? We got to start doing the math on some of this stuff, all right? I've seen videos where people are like, is Hairvivi a scam? A scam in what way, okay? Not only have I purchased this wig with my own money, okay, for another one of my friends as a surprise birthday gift, y'all, I got the exact same unit that I expected. So I am so sorry if you guys are having any type of trouble with customer service, if you're having any type of trouble with receiving a certain type of unit. But always remember, If you do not, okay, pass go, all right, baby, return to sender, please do it, okay? If for any reason the unit does not come as described, keep that tag on, put it back in the box, and send it right on back, all right? Hairvivi makes it a point to really target the customer's needs. When I tell you they are on top of every single trend, okay, so if you were looking for colors, if you were looking for particular cuts, from bobs to long layered looks, they have it. And I think the point has been proven, okay? Even I had trouble cutting the fringe or like curtain bangs myself because I was like, how much of this do I need? This is perfect. I didn't even have to think about it. The only thing I did spend a lot of time doing, which y'all know, I will sit and play with hair for hours. Like, let's not, okay, hence why this video is so long. But yeah, so y'all know I have a bunch of different styling techniques. I will literally style with a comb, and I love the way that kind of looks uniform. I will go in with a powder brush because I love how it kind of fluffs and volumizes the hair. I'll go in with a soft bristle brush because it really adds even more fluff, okay? And I will play with that hairspray over and over until I get the look that I want. So today is no different. I mean, I was feeling really spicy. It almost made me want to add layers all over this unit. So Hairvivi, that's what we need next. Could I get a really high density wig with a ton of layers? Curtain bang me, okay? And let's do no color for right now. Let's just give me a nice like black, and y'all, not me describing the wig that I want, okay? Anyway, I saw the vision. I was here for it. Y'all see how I kind of like flipped up the curls? It was super cute. And let's be honest, I am not willing to heat damage my own natural hair to get this look. I don't care how long it gets, all right? So this is always gonna be a go-to when it comes to really being able to get those soft, loose curls, in my opinion, for less, okay? Not less money, but less time, energy, and heartache with my own personal hair, okay? So I love being able to switch it up, and y'all see how I'm really able to just go in with that hairspray, and no matter how much I add, it is never becoming stiff. If anything, it is giving me like a light hold, still more shine without weighing the hair down, and I'm able to just like, look at that. Okay, I'm dancing now. Y'all will see. And I already told y'all, whenever you see me do a video and I do not have that look in my eyes, then you know how I feel. So at this point, I have only been collaborating with wig brands that I absolutely believe in, simply because I'm here for the healthy hair. So if we can get luxury without having to do too much, okay? You're not having to go and pay a stylist for bleach knots. You're not having to glue down a wig and lose your edges, okay? You are not having to pay someone to cut and shape this unit. Hairvivi has figured it all out for you. So this is why they are my number one, and I hope it never changes. And of course, if there's anything going on, like I said, leave it in the comment section below. They are really, really good about getting to you guys and helping you out. I've never had any issues there. And I mean, let's just be honest, right? All of our favorite brands, sometimes things go wrong. We have to have a little bit of grace. Obviously, things will never be perfect, but if you do have someone that's willing to make it right, what more can you ask for? Okay. And this is why I love this company so, so much. All right. One day when I have my own line of whatever, I would hope that you guys give me the same grace in the event that there are any manufacturing issues and stuff like that. So, all right, I'm clearly riding for them. Y'all see, it's not a game. It's not a joke, all right? I love, love, love the unit. And y'all can see just how the hair has transformed throughout this video. Look at it, okay? And after a long time of me just playing with it, I literally found the perfect curl. Ooh, this is so freaking cute. I cannot even take it. I decided to wear like this all black dress with like some boots. Like, it was a vibe, all right? It was a vibe. So definitely make sure that you are following me on Instagram, TikTok. I think I almost said Twitch. I'm not even on Twitch. Like, girl, what we talking about, okay? Make sure that you are following me there. Turn on your post notifications because you do not want to miss the abundance of content that is coming. And y'all see how even the middle part, okay, it's giving scalp. Hey, okay, all right. I'm so goofy. And mind you, Trey is in the back chilling, okay? He was cracking up the entire time of me even doing this video. At one point, he was like, okay, boo, I see you. And mind you, he hates when I wear wigs. He's like, wear your natural hair. So if I got the okay from Babe and he is not one to be like, oh yeah, for a wig, I'm telling you, every time that I use or wear and install a Hairvivi unit, he's like, okay, if you're gonna do a wig, it needs to look like this. So, you pick up what I'm putting down. Like, am I actually saying these things right? Because a lot of times I'll try to regurgitate something and y'all are like, Cryssy, that's not how you say that. Do you pick up what I'm putting down? Girl, I can't with myself. Anyway, but I can with these curls. So if you are looking for a fringe bang, if you are looking for a layered look, the curtain bang, baby, Cryssy got you covered. I know that there's so many different types of looks like on the gram. So all that you need is the base cut. If you decide you want to do heavier curls, meaning super tight ringlets, you can. If you decide that you want to keep it nice and soft or even silky straight, you guys saw in the beginning of this video, that is not a problem. And of course, all the details to the unit will be listed down in my description box, along with a direct link to the one that I have today. I am obsessed. Literally nothing else could be said about this. You see it here first. I am happy to be able to share this with y'all. Please leave any comments or questions down below. What have y'all been up to? I've been missing you. Your girl is feeling good. All right, we're here. Thank you so much, Hairvivi. Thank you, Sunflower family. I love y'all so much. Stay pretty. And of course, you know, I will see you in my next video. Bye, babies. Love y'all.